Hi everybody. Today I will teach you how to format your paragraph. This is the same file that we were working on last video. We will use the same file to work on paragraph formatting. If you remember in the first video, I mentioned that paragraph end by I mentioned that every paragraph ends with enter. Once you press enter, the paragraph has ended and a new paragraph is formed. Okay, so paragraph is a block of one word or more, or one sentence or more. For example, here the title is a paragraph because I pressed enter after it. It means that the paragraph has stopped here. This is another paragraph. If I come here after the first sentence and press enter, so this one is one paragraph and this is another paragraph. There is a section or group of options in Home tab called Paragraph, and from here I can work with paragraphs. Paragraph alignment. How do I align my paragraph? To work on a paragraph, you can select it or you can just click inside it. So if you need to format one paragraph, you can select the whole paragraph or just click inside it. If you need to apply the same option on several paragraphs, you will need to select them all. But now I need to apply on this paragraph only, so I will click inside this paragraph anyway inside this paragraph. This is align left, which is the default option. This means the paragraph is aligned from the left side and not aligned from the right side. This one means center. It will center the paragraph. As you can see, the paragraph is centered and is very, very effective in titles. For example, if I need to center the title, I can just click it and press the center. Now the title in the center. It is not a good way to just press spaces. This is not a professional way to work within Microsoft Word. If you need to center, just click inside the paragraph and then choose center. I will go back to my paragraph. This is right aligned. It means the paragraph will be aligned from the right side, but not aligned from the left side. This is justify. Justify will align the paragraph both from left and right sides. I will choose justify. You can see it is aligned from left and from right side. But what are the other options? Justify low, justify medium, justify high. Everyone will justify the paragraph from both sides. But what if the Microsoft Word needs to make some spaces to align the paragraph from both sides? It will do that. Justify low, it means align my paragraph from both sides, but if you need to make spaces, make them tiny. Don't make large spaces. Justify medium will align the paragraph from both sides and will make medium spaces whenever needed. Justify high will justify the paragraph with more blanks, with more blank areas, as you can see. So best option is to just justify. You can also add a shading color to the paragraph by clicking this paragraph, and from here, the shading color, you can choose any shading color. You can also adjust the spaces between paragraph lines. Normally in Microsoft Word, by default, the lines inside the same paragraph will have a space of one line. What if I need to increase this vertical spaces? I will go here to line spacing. And from here, you can see many options. like 1.15. This will make spaces between each line, which is 1.15, 2, which make double line spacing. I will choose this. And as you can see, this paragraph is differently formatted from other. It has a shading, it is justified, and it has double line spacing. What else in this line and paragraph spacing? We have two options at the bottom, which is add space before paragraph and add space after paragraph. Normally we have add and add, but once we choose add, it will be changed into remove. What is the paragraph as the space before and what is the space after? The space before is the space between this paragraph and the previous paragraph. This space. This is called before. After the space between this paragraph and the next paragraph. So if you need to add more space before the paragraph or above the paragraph, you will add space before paragraph. You can see or notice a tiny spacing has increasing here. And if you go back, you will find it remove. Once you choose add, it will turn remove. Here we have spacing after the paragraph. If I click on remove, the space between the paragraph and the next paragraph is decreased a little bit. And when I go back, it turned into add space after paragraph. So these two options to add or remove spaces above or below the selected paragraph. And that's all for today, guys. Thank you. I hope you practiced with me. Thank you so much. See you next video.